So tutoring programs are important because students need to feel comfortable in school and comfortable in their classes and that they're advancing. And sometimes in schools they aren't getting the individualized attention that they need, or they're not understanding fully what they need, and they just need a little bit of help to move forward and feel more comfortable and more relaxed in school. Tutoring helps by making the student feel more comfortable with the material that they're studying in school, by being able to understand it better, practice it more, and then return to school and do well in that subject. So students who take subject tutoring here to prep for the SAT subject exams will do better on those subject exams that they need for some of the more highly selective schools. The ones that take the tutoring for the advanced placement exams will also do better on their advanced placement exams, and just to help them understand what's going on in their classrooms. If they've reached a rough patch, that's where we help them with just their classroom subjects. Students sometimes have trouble in different subjects in school, and so they come to us for subject tutoring. They want to do better on their subject exams, they want to do better on their advanced placement exams, and so they want to understand the types of questions that are going to be asked, and they want to understand the material that's covered much better. Our students who take this are going to just feel more comfortable with the material that they're studying when they come through our subject tutoring classes. So our teachers for the subject tutoring that we do are state certified educators. So students who come here for subject tutoring are students who want to do better on the work that they're doing in school and want better grades. So if you would like more information, you can visit our website at www.yourcollegeconnector.com, or you can email us at info@yourcollegeconnector.com, or you can call us at 786-372-8378.